Struggling to keep your brows in place all day without them smudging or fading halfway through? You're not alone. Whether you're heading to work, the gym, or out for the night, a reliable smudge-proof brow pencil is essential. But with so many options claiming long wear and precision, how do you know which one truly delivers? In today's video, I'll break down the top 5 best smudge-proof brow pencils that combine precision, pigment, and all-day performance. Let's dive straight into the list, starting with number 1. Kicking off our list at number 1, Fenty Beauty Brow MVP. The Fenty Beauty Brow MVP is Rihanna's answer to a universal, sweat-resistant brow pencil that defines and shapes with flawless precision. Designed to suit all brow types and tones, it's a dual-ended pencil that makes both sculpting and blending effortlessly easy, making it a standout for smudge-proof perfection. Key features. The pencil features an ultra-fine, retractable tip for drawing realistic hair-like strokes, and a unique paddle brush for seamless blending. It comes in 14 inclusive shades that cater to cool, neutral, and warm undertones. Its formula is sweat and water-resistant, offering long-lasting wear without smudging or fading. Benefits and usage. The Brow MVP is great for building volume and filling sparse areas without overdoing it. It mimics natural brow hairs while blending beautifully into your existing brow line. Just use the pencil to define, then blend using the paddle brush for a polished look that lasts all day. Usability. Its user-friendly design is perfect for both beginners and pros. The fine tip ensures precise control, allowing you to layer the pigment slowly for a natural-to-bold finish. Plus, the paddle brush does a better job than traditional spoolies at softening harsh lines. Durability. This pencil lives up to its promise of long-lasting wear. It holds up in humidity, during workouts, and through full workdays without sliding off. The twist-up mechanism keeps the tip protected and mess-free, and the pencil remains intact even after weeks of daily use. In the second spot, we have Decay Brow Blade. The Decay Brow Blade offers a 2-in-1 approach for creating micro-bladed-like brows without the needles. This double-ended brow tool pairs a waterproof pencil with an ink stain, offering unmatched control and definition for the most detailed and smudge-resistant brow look imaginable. Key features. One end of the brow blade features a precision pencil for shaping and filling, while the other has a flexible brush-tip ink stain for ultrafine, smudge-proof strokes. It comes in multiple shades and delivers waterproof where that doesn't budge even in high humidity or sweat. Benefits and usage. Brow blade is ideal for creating dimension and depth, especially for sparse brows or those needing a full reshape. Use the pencil to shape the brow, then go in with the ink tip to add hair-like strokes and define the arch. It's the closest thing to microblading in a pencil. Usability. It may require a little learning curve, especially with the ink tip, but once you master it, the results are salon-worthy. It's perfect for precision artists who want to customize their brow shape and density without overloading pigment. Durability. When it comes to staying power, Brow Blade doesn't disappoint. It's genuinely smudge-proof once set, resisting water and sweat all day. The dual formula stays crisp from morning to night and holds its shape until you're ready to take it off. Coming in at number 3 is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. The NYX Micro Brow Pencil is a drugstore favorite that punches well above its weight. Loved by pros and beginners alike, it offers precision, pigment, and impressive staying power at an affordable price, making it an excellent smudge-proof option for all brow types. Key features. This ultra-slim, retractable pencil allows for detailed hair-like strokes, and it comes with a built-in spoolie to brush and blend brows into place. The vegan formula is richly pigmented and available in a wide range of natural-looking shades to suit various brow colors. Benefits and usage. Whether you're filling in sparse spots or redefining your brow shape, the Micro Brow Pencil glides on smoothly and builds easily. It's particularly great for everyday use when you want a natural but defined look that won't wear off midday. Usability. The pencil's slim design makes it easy to maneuver, especially around tricky tail and arch areas. The spoolie blends out the pigment effortlessly, and the twist-up mechanism means no sharpening needed. It's intuitive, clean, and travel-friendly. Durability. For a pencil at this price point, its longevity is impressive. It holds up well through light workouts, long hours, and even mild weather conditions. While it's not 100% waterproof, it is highly smudge-resistant and delivers dependable all-day wear. Taking our 4th spot is Tarte Amazonian Clay. The Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof Brow Pencil is a game-changer for those who want eco-conscious, performance-driven brow products. Infused with natural clay, this pencil is all about precision, balance, and long-lasting where it resists smudging, sweat, and oil. Key features. It features a thin, retractable tip for detail work, paired with a spoolie brush for shaping. The Amazonian Clay formula helps to control oil, prevent fading, and promote long-lasting adhesion to the skin. It's also dermatologist-tested and free from parabens and phthalates. Benefits and usage. The clay-infused formula helps the pigment adhere better to the skin and brow hairs, providing definition that lasts all day. It's perfect for shaping and filling brows without making them look too bold or unnatural. Just sketch, blend, and go. Usability. Lightweight and simple to use, the pencil offers great control for detail work. The formula glides on smoothly without tugging or skipping, making it perfect for both everyday looks and more dramatic brow transformations. Durability. Thanks to the clay-based formula, this pencil truly stays in place. It resists smudging from sweat, humidity, and oily skin, making it an excellent option for long days, summer wear, or anyone with combination or oily skin. And finally, at number 5, we have IT Cosmetics Brow Power. The IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil is designed to solve a common issue: finding a single brow pencil that matches your natural hair color and stays put all day. This smudge-proof, self-adjusting pencil delivers both adaptability and staying power in one sleek package. Key features. Featuring a universal taupe shade that adjusts to your natural brow color based on pressure, this pencil is powered by brow-enhancing ingredients like biotin, saw palmetto, and antioxidants. It also includes a built-in spoolie for grooming and blending. Benefits and usage. Brow Power is ideal for those who want a custom color match without sifting through dozens of shades. Apply with light pressure for lighter tones or build with more pressure for deeper colors. It defines, fills, and shapes easily while nourishing your brows with each use. Usability. The oval-shaped tip allows for both broad strokes and fine detailing, while the spoolie helps distribute pigment evenly. It's easy to control, especially for beginners who might struggle with overly sharp or fragile tips. Durability. Brow Power lives up to its name, providing all-day wear that resists smudging and fading. It's long-lasting through heat, work, and errands without flaking or transferring, making it a reliable pick for consistent brow perfection. So there you have it, our top 5 best smudge-proof brow pencils, carefully tested and reviewed. Whether you're after sharp, detailed brows or a natural full shape that stays all day, there's something in this list for every need and budget. From high-end icons like Fenty and Urban Decay to drugstore gems like NYX, your perfect brow pencil is just a choice away. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more no-nonsense beauty breakdowns every week. Which brow pencil is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.